How to sync pictures with sound on TikTok. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are on your For You page, tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Upload. It will open up a gallery. Now you can select any of the picture or the video. So let me select one picture and one video. Once you have selected, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this Edit at the top right. Here you can adjust and crop the video if you want to. At the bottom, slide left and the option of Sound Sync will be visible to you. Click on it. And there you go, the sound has been synced successfully. Well, you can also change the audio if you want to. Once it has been done, tap on Next at the top right corner. Now you can simply post the video if you want to, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can sync the picture with the sound on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.